iQOO Z10, a power-packed mid-ranger with flagship features. The Vivo iQOO Z10 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2025. With a sleek design, powerful hardware, and a massive battery, it aims to deliver flagship-like performance at an affordable price. Let's dive into its key features. Design and display, sleek and vibrant. 6.77-inch AMOLED with 120Hz refresh rate. 1080 by 2392 resolution, 388 ppi, for sharp visuals. 5000 nits peak brightness, great for outdoor visibility. Always on display for quick glanceable info. Slim and lightweight, just 7.9mm thick and 199 grams. Splash resistant and mil STD810H tested, though not fully rugged. The stellar black and Glacier silver color options give it a premium look. Performance, Snapdragon 7's Gen 3 and smooth software. Qualcomm Snapdragon 7's Gen 3, 4 nanometers, efficient and powerful. Octa-core CPU, 1x2. 5 GHz plus 3x2. 4 GHz plus 4x1. 8 GHz. Adreno 710 GPU, 940 MHz, solid for gaming. Up to 12 GB RAM plus 256 GB storage, no microSD slot. Android 15 with FunTouch 15, 2 major OS upgrades promised. This setup ensures smooth multitasking and gaming without breaking a sweat. Camera, capable shooter for daily use. Main camera. 50MP primary, f/1.8, WAH, DAF, sharp and stable shots. 2MP depth sensor, better portrait mode effects. 4K at 30 fps video with gyro eyes for steady footage. Selfie camera. 8MP, f/2.0, decent for video calls and social media. While not a photography beast, it handles everyday shots well. Battery and charging, all-day power with superfast charging. 7,300 mAh battery, one of the largest in its segment. 90 watts wired charging, goes from 0% to 100% in under 40 minutes. Reverse wired charging, can power up other devices. This combination ensures you won't run out of juice easily. Other features. Under display fingerprint sensor. Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, USB-C 2.0. Number 3.5mm jack or NFC, a slight downside. Circle to search, Google's handy AI-powered search feature. Verdict, who should buy the iQOO Z10? The iQOO Z10 is perfect for black checkmark, gamers, strong chipset plus 120Hz AMOLED. Black checkmark, battery lovers, 7,300 mAh plus 90 watts charging. Black checkmark, media consumers, big, bright display. Black checkmark, budget-conscious buyers, flagship-like features at €230. If you need a reliable, fast-charging phone with great performance, the iQOO Z10 is a fantastic choice. What do you think? Will you be picking one up? Let us know in the comments.